camera, we will just be waving to the traffic officer. Oh, hi there, traffic officer. Good day, good day, good day, good day. Mexico's traffic officer.
Man, look at that smile. No?
That's after one.
That's when you come from to Cape Town, man. That's the smile I want to see.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you.
Leave the beanie on.
Huh?
Leave the beanie on. Hi guys, so welcome to another episode of Akeel Hassan video. We are at Dude's Car Wash here in Cape Town, and I'm with my friend from very long. We know each other since.
No, we're brothers, man, I think.
We're brothers. We're
All
brothers.
different colors.
You know, the color mix was different.
That's why you that side now, so you're gonna come to my color soon.
Soon. If I stand long enough in the sun.
Inshallah, inshallah.
I mean, so I'm with Said Adams. We have gone to high school together,
Come along.
2005
Yo.
until 2010.
2025 almost. That's how long we know each other.
Yeah,
Oh, is it so long?
yeah, it's long. It's really long. He's lucky to be owner of a nice Toyota. It's a 3S-GE power Toyota, but the fact is not his first 3S-GE power Toyota. He previously had a Taz with a red top.
Just a hatchback.
Very much faster than this one.
Can't compare because this is it's a bit heavier because it's a 180i.
Yeah, because it comes with all the
It
luxury.
comes with all the luxury, and the Taz is most basically basic, so you feel it more in the Taz and what you want to feel it in here because it feels more comfortable.
Yeah. So
It's more for the dentist, man, so
yeah,
can't talk so much.
no problem. I'll do the
No, but we'll
talking.
talk, that's fine.
It is for sale as well. But yeah, we just wanted to talk like the fact that, you know, this is one of the more cost effective. I'm not gonna say cheap because these motors aren't cheap
It's not
anymore.
cheap anymore.
I think the time when you had your Taz, it was cheaper.
Yeah, the engine at the time was like 11.5 or 10.5.
Yeah.
The last engine I bought was 10.5, was 11.5. And now our engine is costing about almost 30 grand. Just the engine without the box.
And then you still need management.
You still need management.
And you need the box. You need the box.
Like you said, the cost for sale, the amount of money you put into a car like this, for the amount of money we're selling this car for, you won't be able to build this car for the amount of money you're going to pay for this car. And plus it's a 180 buck. It's not like you're buying a normal 1300 buck.
Yeah,
This
it's
car
got-
have a little bit of bells and whistles. It's like a
Yeah.
7-inch screen in, twin cam, full interior.
Yeah.
Because it comes out like it. It's a good daily car.
Yeah.
It drives well.
And
like
for me, I'm feeling like quite at home in this interior. Twin cam
twin cam,
interior.
bro, you didn't know.
Electric windows, electric
Oh.
mirrors,
This is our home.
central locking.
The Rolling Republic, you remember that
Yeah.
days, bro? We
We've done a lot
from
of
the
car
Zara,
things together, and like
We come from
you
the
come
Zara.
home and it just hits your
especially
heart.
with this one.
Yeah.
Okay, it
Not
doesn't
the-
have our hearty 4S-GE,
Yeah.
but it have a raw 3S-GE, which is suffice.
And it's called the single beams here.
Single beams in.
But
We
it's
named it
obviously
single beams in Cape
single
Town.
VVTi.
Red top, yeah,
Red
front wheel
top.
drive engine. So this engine lays
It's
to the back.
perfect. And that also helps with weight distribution. Yeah.
Yeah,
When you
if you
because
put it
the
that way,
engine-
yes.
Yeah, when the engine is lying back. Yeah, that's just. We didn't want to get too technical today. We just wanted to like come around, check the car out, check the car wash out.
Oh, we.
Like just
And-
old times, good
oh,
vibes.
yeah.
Like you say, from 2005 till now, until whenever.
And catch up.
Yeah.
Yeah, you haven't been there in a while, so
Yeah.
we came here to eat, bro.
Oh, that,
about
that
cars.
as well.
Talk about cars.
And sort lunch out.
What's more hurtful? more hurtful than anything, man.
What's he
Watching a Kia, man. Okay, I haven't driven a 2 game in
Very long
a
time.
long time.
Clutch controlled in a long time either.
He's just bought a supercars, man. There were no clutches. There's nothing. It's a
PSG
PlayStation. He's busy playing PlayStation in
driving
Dubai.
Forza there on that side.
Yeah, Forza, it's not PlayStation. We don't do PlayStation no more.
I need to lock us in.
No, we're fine.
Trust me. Clutch control is nice as well.
What I like of this car is
And the idle.
the cold start is
Proper.
lekker. Like
And the cold
you didn't
start.
show we
3
started
weeks standing.
3 weeks, bro. And the car just standard, we let it idle, lekker to temperature,
I'm just kidding.
and there we
I'm
driving.
just doing my 15-point turns.
A lot of people in South Africa don't know about that. No? Like kop almost that lane move.
Yeah, this isn't a feel-good video. I don't know what it is. Which way am I going, Captain?
Go right.
I almost forgot which side the indicator stop as well.
This is a 1990 odd car. Okay, bursting into wheel spin there for us a little bit. Braking traction.
I still got it. And now we're in Mexico today.
Now in Mexico today.
And it's not slow. Not slow.
That's alright, man.
But it's
It's decent for what it is. Dan ben je ook aan goed geleerd, hoor. Ik heb je ook goed geleerd, mijn klomp, man. Waar is het? Look at that smile, man. Look at that smile. No?
That's after 1
That's
year.
when you come from to Cape Town, man. That's the smile I want to see. Look at that smile. How's my interviewing you now?
But the thing is, it's easy to drive as well.
Because it makes you feel at home, man. Like we know Bubble, we grew up with the stuff.
Yeah.
So
I think every weekend it was different to one camp.
every weekend you didn't know.
And look how proud is on your face when I drove
Ah,
the car.
definitely. Definitely.
Some things don't leave a person.
Never, bro.
And I didn't even go for the window wipe though.
No. Now you held it lekker.
So what, I guess we're sitting inside the car because the weather in Cape Town is quite dreary and quite cold. It's not something I'm used to. It's something I've missed. I've never seen rain in a long time. I realized that coming home in this time of the year, obviously I need to expect this type of weather, but it's fun to still get out and do something small, do some
I would
little
like to get wet.
yeah, after a long time. Or we're gonna have a long blooper reel at the end of this, but it's fine. What's done to the car?
Okay, like we covered, there is a single beam in red top, your front wheel drive 3S-GE with a beams box mated to it. There's brand new coilovers in this car, new tires, some accessories all around. Inside we did a 7-inch double duncer, so there's a bit of entertainment. That's about it.
And
Some accessories. The
And-
color already popped, got the car as is, and we put some Volks on. There was blades on, but for me, for the color and the stuff that the car have on, it just didn't go together, man. So I think the T37s just give it a perfect combination. A few stuff we did to it. We polished the suspension. So a couple of things that was done. So this car is basically in perfect
fresh.
condition. Yeah, there's nothing to spend on this car.
And even with the poly, I drove the car now, and you'll obviously see in the video as well. I drove the car now, and even with poly mounts, it's fine, because normally everyone complains, if you go poly, you're not going to enjoy it sitting in traffic, things are going to shake. And I'll be honest with you, I think it's done just right. The poly goes in terms of the hardness is measured in terms of shore. So I think
So I think
I think the shore is for sure.
Not
That is
absolutely
right.
for sure. But I think with the coilovers and the way it's set, I think it accommodate everything they can, with the weight of the engine in front specifically,
Yeah.
and the weight of the car, everything just compromises.
Yeah.
Lekker, man.
I mean, this conversion is so popular, and this engine comes standard in
The MR2.
second.
I
Another
think
one with the pop-up lights
one
and
with the pop-up lights.
engine in the back.
And I think the RAV4 come up with a grey top, but that's an automatic one, the grey top.
That is
Honestly, it's a
gone.
bit expensive. That's why I say for the amount
Yeah.
of money into the car and for the amount of money the car is being sold for, you can't build this car, really.
And power figures for this car.
We haven't had the car on the dyno yet. We cleaned the map up when we got the car, so we wrote unit. Junaid did that for us.
Yeah.
So everyone knows Junaid Hill. He's one
The
of
beams
the best
whisperer.
beams. Yeah,
The
you
beams
can put it that way.
whisperer.
And
Yeah.
of course, shouts to San also, San
Yeah.
Brenner, Ihsan Brenner,
Yeah.
for basically putting through all this cosmetics like battery in the boot, checking it. He did our shafts for us. Like a lot of things mechanically he done. Tuning wise, Junaid did. So I think the two of them together
Is a combo.
is a
Match
combo
made in
to
heaven,
cure
yeah.
up really. Match made
And
in heaven.
I-
San and Junaid, sure.
I drove the car, and you need to understand, when I drive back there, I sit on the other side and I drive on the other side of the road. Okay, granted, I've more years in my life I've driven where the configuration that we normally now used to here in South Africa. But the car's easy to drive, really easy to drive.
I can give most shouts out to them actually for putting the car for the way it is, really. San and Junaid, I will recommend anyone to them, really. When it comes to beams or any conversion, if you put it that way, like I've seen their work and they bring their work to me for me to clean it up and stuff like that. As you guys know, I have the car washers and stuff, and the way they put the stuff together, their workmanship. I'm not speaking for other people, I'm speaking for myself, my own experience, and me, my brother specifically, when it comes to this stuff, because they know what is going on when it comes to this stuff. So, shouts to them, bro,
Yeah.
for the fact that you can just start this car and drive it with a management.
Yeah, and a cold start, car started right up, idled, easy, we're driving, I pulled out my clutch in second gear, I didn't even press the accelerator, and the car was still idling and going forward, and no jerking, nothing, and that's actually just what you want, because you just want to enjoy your car. So if you want to build something similar to this, now you understand a little bit of what it entails. If you don't want to build one and you just want to buy one straight, come check this car out, take it for a test drive, see if it's what you like, what it's
I
really.
know test drive for everyone.
Oh, okay, test drive for me only. But yeah, come out, check it out, see the car it's got everything that you want to in a car. It's full house, and full house we mean leather interior, electric windows, central locking. What more do you want? And it's a AE92. It's always a timeless shape. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. This was really something very different to other review, but I guess it has to be different because it's with him. So that's part of it. Because it was him, it's gonna be like this. And I enjoyed myself. I realized that you shouldn't take yourself too seriously. You should just enjoy what you do. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, smash the like button. If you need to wash your car, pop around to Dude's Car Washing Parkwood, Akeel Road. Right here, get your car clean. The prices are quite good and the workmanship is on point.